how you import a data file with the file name extension .dat from this particular instrument, which I changed to the file name extension .text after I made a copy of it so that I could even open it. We're going to show you how a file can go looking like this for continuous PM 2.5 data. This is an example file. You can see that there are obviously many errors in the actual data here, but we're going to go from this file here through the Tribal Data Toolbox to the same data formatted for AQS with appropriate null value codes and the data points that are valid left in. So this series of videos is going to show you how to do that in a very quick start way. Okay, the first thing you do is navigate to your folder where I've just set up a folder called Working Files, and the raw data to be imported is in a raw data folder. And you can see this is exactly the file that you emailed me, exactly the way you get it off of your data logger. So the first thing to do is to make sure that we work from a... So I'm going to make a copy, is open Excel, and then we're going to import that file. So Data tab from Text, then navigate to your folder, Raw Data. So make sure you click this All Files so that it finds this, because you're actually looking at an extension .dat, but we're going to treat it as a text file anyway. We're going to start the import at row, and it's fixed width because when you pull this grabber bar down here, you can see that the data occurs in regular intervals of numbers of characters. So it looks nice and even here, so we know it's fixed width as opposed to being separated by commas or pipes. So we're going to click Next, and now it asks to verify, is this where you want the column breaks? Yes, it is. Click Next. This first column is going to be left as general. You can see that's a time column. This second column, we're going to tell Excel that it's month, date, year. You can see you've got different options here. Column is organized into is month, date, year, and then everything else is going to be fine. We're going to say finish, and we're going to tell it to import it at cell A. And we're going to click OK, and there it is. Ta-da! So now we just have to save it, and I'm going to save it in a folder called Raw Data, and I'm just going to save it as a file called Import Me, and then we're ready to import it into the Tribal Data Toolbox.